So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is evaluate integral from 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x square dx with 6 subinterval by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. So basically we have to solve this problem by using Simpson's 3/8 rule only. Okay. So let us see. First you all can take down this entire question. Okay. Then I'll write integral 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now what is f of x over here? This value is f of x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is f of x. Now what is basically here you all can see this is your a and this is your b. Okay, which means that this is the upper limit 6, lower limit 0. So b is nothing but 6. So replace b by 6. So 6 minus 0 is going to give you what? 6 minus 0 upon, now here it is said that what is n over here? N means your 6 subintervals, okay? 6 it is given. So write down 6. Then what will be your answer? So now this is equal to 6 upon 6, which is nothing but 6 ones are 6 you will get, and 6 ones are 6. So your answer will be 1 for this one. Okay, it is like this. 6 minus 0 is nothing but 6, right, upon 6. So if you cancel both the 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, your answer will be equal to 1. Therefore your h is equal to what? Therefore your h is equal to 1. Okay. The next thing we are going to see the interval, 6 subintervals, right? So value of x goes from, here it is from 0 to 6, okay, x. So take from 0 to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how you got the value of y to be 1? Okay, let me explain you all this. Here you all can see the function f of x, that is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x square, right? So if I take here in place of x, what is there? In place of x, 0 is there. If you plug 0 in place of x, what you all are going to get? 1 plus x square means x value is 0. So it is 1 upon 1, which is nothing but 1. So that is how you got 1 over here. Next, if you replace x by 1, what you all are going to get? If I replace x by 1, so it will be 1 square, it is 1 only. So it will be 1 upon 1 plus 1 is 2. Then you all have to divide and see. Okay, 2 and here it is 1, right? So it will be 0 point, here it will be 0, and then 2 5s are 10. So which will be, your answer will be 0.5 over here. Okay, next if you replace x by 2, what answer you are going to get? If I replace x by 2, so 2 square is nothing but 4. So you will get nothing but 1 plus 4 is 5. Then you all can divide and see. 5 divided by 1, so it will be 0. Here it will be 0 0.5 2s are 10. Okay, so if you replace x by 2, you will get answer to be 0.2. Have you got 0.2? Yes. So same way you can try with 3, 4, 5 and 6. You will get the values. Okay. So I hope you all have understood how you got the y values first. Okay, in these cases. Then you all are applying the Simpson's 3/8 rule. That is integral from 0 to 6. F of x means that function. D of x is equal to Simpson's 3/8 rule is 3h upon 8 y0 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 bracket close plus 2y is y3 plus y6. Now what is f of x? Here 1 upon 1 plus x square. So you have to replace this f of x by 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to this you all have to write it as it is, 3h upon 8 y0 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 y3 plus y6. Okay, next is equal to 3 upon 8 Now why you wrote here 3 upon 8? Here the value of h is given to be 1. So when you multiply this 3 by 1, you will get 3 itself. Upon 8, write it as it is. Now what is the value of y0 over here? The value of y0 is 1. Okay, so write down 1. So I can write down here 1 plus next number is what? 3. Write it down as it is. And in the bracket open, what is y1 now? y1 is nothing but 0.5. So I'll have to only plug the values. Plus, now next y1 is 0.5 plus y2 is now, what is y2? 0.2. So write down 0.2. 0.2 plus, now what is y4? y4 and y5 you write down. So it is y4 is nothing but 0.059 and 0.038 39 38 it is. Okay, just change here the value. This is nothing but 0.038. Okay, so what is y5? 0.038. Okay, so here this is your 3 into y1 is 0.5, y2 is 0.2 plus y4 is what value you got? y4 is 0.059, so that I have written it here 0.059 plus y5 is here 0.038. okay, plus twice here twice y3. So here what is your y3? y3 is 0.1. So replace that 0.1 plus y6. So y6 is nothing but 0.027. So that you will have to plug here. And then in the end last close the bracket. Now you will have to write down the next page is equal to. So now you will have to write this 1 plus as it is. So 3 upon 8 is to 1 plus 3 as it is. Then multiply this 3 multiplied by this, you all have to add this 0.5, 0.2, 0.059 and 0.038. okay, add all this, you will get 0.797 after adding, then plus, then multiply. 2 multiplied by 0.1 is 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, so it will be 0.2 plus 0.07. you all have to write it as it is. Okay, next thing 3 upon 8 write it as it is. 1 plus, now you 3 you have to multiply with this, you will get nothing but 2, write down 2.391. okay, here you all have to plug the decimal point here. Then write down plus 0.2 plus 0.027. now you all have to add all these numbers and see what answer you all are getting after adding these numbers. So after adding all this, you are getting 3.618. okay, then whatever is getting cancelled, you all can cancel, and then finally you all can write down the answer. okay, whatever is getting cancelled, multiply, and then your final answer will be 1.35675. So I hope you have understood how to evaluate this integral from 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x square dx with 6 subinterval by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. And thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. This is the final answer. So I hope you have understood, and thanks for watching. If don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.